Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can show telemetry in Forza Horizon 6. It's pretty easy. If you're playing the game on keyboard, simply press T key and that way you'll able to show telemetry. In order to hide it, again press T and that way you'll able to hide it. It's that easy on keyboard, but if you're playing on controller then it's just gonna be difficult for you because there is no key assigned for telemetry on controller. But what you can do instead, just select settings over here. Then we need to go to the controls, select change input mapping, and here you need to look for telemetry. Okay, here it is. You can see there is no key assigned to it, so you can simply select and just assign the key to telemetry, and basically you just need to make some changes from here, and that way once you assign the key you'll able to show telemetry on controller as well. And it is that easy to show telemetry on Forza Horizon 6. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.